Well, hello Blue Troopers, Max of Max's Models here, and today I'm going to talk about something a little bit different. Although many of us enjoy the history of kit model companies, and we certainly have an emotional attachment to some of the kits we built as a kid, we rarely know much about the story of an individual specific kit. We often get them at flea markets, secondhand stores, estate sales, or of course eBay, with no real idea of the trip that this particular kit has been on. Its journey is unknown to us. We just know it's another one that got popped off the assembly line and spent 30, 40, 50, maybe even 60 years waiting for us to open it up on our desk. But recently, one glue trooper opened up a Tamiya T-34 that he got at an estate sale. And he actually learned a little bit about the provenance of this kit when he found this card inside. Apparently this kit was a gift from two daughters to their father. Since the kit was picked up at an estate sale, I must assume he's passed. I don't know who he was or who these girls are, but there's something about finding something so personal in a model that somehow it just winds up meaning a little bit more. Somewhere out there, two girls who loved their dad, knew his interests, and bought him something special. Apparently he never had a chance to build it, but that's okay. I don't know. Something about this just caught me. It makes me look at my kit collection and wonder, what are the stories of these models? Were any of them gifts from loved ones or friends? Personally, I think it's a beautiful thing. I'm Max of Max's Models. You guys have a wonderful day, and as always, model on.